wherever actually humans have used technology for improving their daily life or daily routine, work, travel, business, communication, becomes actually a new domain for warfare.
भारतीय सेना फ्यूचर वॉरफेयर के मुताबिक तैयार होंगे। चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल अनिल चौहान ने होने वाली फ्यूचर वॉर और मिलिट्री पावर पर बड़ा बयान दिया। उन्होंने कहा, युद्ध लगातार बदल रहा है और नए कॉन्सेप्ट कई बार लागू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाते हैं। यह एक ऐसा रिस्क है जिसे सेना को स्वीकार करना पड़ता है। इसीलिए भविष्य के युद्ध के अनुसार तैयारी करना हमारे अस्तित्व से जुड़ा है। सीडीएस चौहान ने गुरुवार को नई दिल्ली के सैम मोनेक्सो सेंटर में चल रहे चाणक्य डिफेंस डायलॉग में यह बात कही।
Wherever actually humans have used technology for improving their daily life or daily routine, work, travel, business, communication, becomes actually a new domain for warfare. The more we use a domain or a technology, the more lucrative it becomes to deny it to you by war or by use of force. This will lead to expansion of multi-domain operations, and the domains are going to expand as human beings get used to more and more technologies and more domains. Call it a natural progression or a law of inevitability. But multi-domain operations will expand in new domains that become part of human life, cyber, media, etc. Warfare is no longer confined to land, sea or air. It will be conducted simultaneously across all these domains which I'm talking about, which we've identified, and of course they'll keep emerging as we get used to new domains and new technology in the future. The second trend which I notice is non-linearity and the expansion of battle space. Non-linearity had existed in the past also, but today it's acquiring a new kind of meaning with the spatial enlargement of battle space. The old notions of front, intermediate and depth have completely collapsed. Almost the entire national space, its infrastructure, networks, economy, information space of the adversary actually lies within the reach of today's modern weapons, and Operation Sindoor was an example of it.